Hello once again, YouTube and audience. I am your host, Ian D. Blackburn, and tonight I am going to talk about on how to use a classic defender with Phoenix, God of Deception. I can't show you Phoenix because he's currently in one of my many decks that I've constructed, but I'm sure that there's a video on Phoenix, and this defender only costs 3 mana, but as I found out, can quite easily strike fear into attacking creatures. It's the Wall of Frost. Just needs 2 islands and 1 mana cost, because its defense is a mighty 7. No attack, just 7 defense. And its special ability is whenever Wall of Frost blocks a creature, that creature doesn't untap during its controller's next untap step. So basically it's Frost Breath, but it's become a creature. The 7 is the interesting thing about it, because along with Phoenix, God of Deception's special ability to allow you to mill for the strength of the card, I think Phoenix is a 4/7 without looking at it. So if you mill with Phoenix and Wall of Frost, you're milling 14 per turn. If you have 2 Wall of Frosts and Phoenix, 21 per turn. And if you control 2 Oaks of Adonis, the new defender, which is black in Born of the Gods, you could make Phoenix a creature, and because of your devotion is about 7, and yeah, you could hit for 31 if you held 2, because their toughness is 5 each. So just imagine that half your library will be gone just to Phoenix and around 4 defenders in one turn. That would be probable to do if you had the right mana, the right time, and timing, should I say, and whether your land was a swamp or an island. And I suppose really for an interesting side effect, you could pull out to Planeswalker Ashiok to exile your opponent's library, and then exile the graveyard as well, with Ashiok's big effect. I think it's -10 off memory. But yeah, that's a casual mill effect, and it is quite a powerful one, as my friend TJ once performed on me. So thank you for watching, and from the Rocket Pit, it's good luck God bless, and for me, good night.